Hi friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to restore a database, like how to restore a backup file in our SQL Server. So follow the same procedure how I am doing. So this is our local database. So what I am trying to do, I will add a new database here. As you can see, this we will select this first one. Here we will select, for sample purpose we will select a small file, example sales db. This is 17 MB file. So now it is downloaded. Show in folder, right click, extract here. As you can see, sales db 2014.bak. The file extension will be bak for backup. We will store in our SQL. How we will do? Simply right click in our database, restore database. So here we will select device. We are uploading the database backup file from device. So we will select these three dots, and here we will provide the address. So what will get happen, this is the default address, so we have to store in our backup file. So that downloaded file we will paste in our backup, so in this URL. So what we will do, we will copy this URL and go to run and paste this, press enter. So this folder is empty. So what we will do, we will copy this and paste it in our backup folder. Right now we have pasted. So come to the DB and refresh once. As you can see, sales db 2014 backup file is showing. So select OK, then OK. As you can see, restore file showing here. OK. Database sales db restored successfully. Then go to our SQL sales db. As you can see, so here we will see how many tables we are having. So 4 tables we are having: customer, employees, products, sales. And do we have any SPs? We can check. We don't have any SPs. Store procedures, how to restore a backup file in our SQL Server. So if you like the video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.